Hello students. Now today I am going to teach you the next part of the grammar, that is second part of the past tense, past continuous. Present continuous and past continuous, lots of difference. Present continuous is talking about the progressive action is going on in front of any speaker, but here there is no any evidence or speaker required because the progressive action was started in past and finished also in past. That's why it's a verb. Verb is was or were. So past continuous, it denotes an action going on in the past. Let's come to the format. Subject plus was or were plus fourth form of verb. Fourth form of verb is present participle plus object. This is the past continuous. As I have written definition below that format, then affirmative sentence. That means positive sentence. It's written here. The train was running at full speed. The train was running at full speed. Second sentence, the boys were making a the boys were taking a test in English. These two are the example of affirmative sentence. Come to negative. Negative format, subject plus was or were plus not plus fourth form of verb plus object. They were not making a noise. This is negative sentence. You were not solving the sums. You were not solving the sums. These two are the example of negative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. Interrogative. Interrogative sentence, their format is, we need to start with the helping verb, that is was or were. So format is was or were plus subject plus fourth form of verb plus object, and then most important, question mark. Let's come to the example. Was the gardener plucking the flowers? Was the gardener plucking the flowers? Question mark. Then, were the milkman milking the cows? Were the milkman milking the cows? These two are example of interrogative. Now come to the interrogative negative. Nothing is different, only not you have to use in interrogative. But not has to become after subject and before the verb. So here, was she not taking tea at the cafe? Was she not taking the tea at the cafe? Second example, were the patients not taking the medicine on time? Were the patients not taking the medicine on time? These are the two examples of negative, interrogative negative. Now today it's a homework in gap filling formation. This is the homework. Here the word has been written in the bracket. You will use in gap correct form of verb. Which forms of the verb it has to be used here, you will attempt and you will show me. Today is this much class. In the next class I will teach you what are the uses of the past continuous. Thank you.